Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Catalyst Hub. I am back with yet another video. The detailed notification and relevant links are available in the description box. Do check out. If you are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe by pressing the bell icon below and share this video with your colleagues and friends seeking job opportunities. I daily post videos of opportunities available, so without any further ado, let's get started. The present recruitment is government recruitment from government of Chhattisgarh in district Bematara. It is an advertisement for contractual recruitment of teachers for government girls higher secondary school Navagarh and government boys higher secondary school Berla under Swami Atmanand Excellent School Scheme. So the description is Education Department of Bematara advertisement for contractual recruitment of teachers for both girls and boys schools. So the notification application forms were started from 27th of May and the end date is 15th of June. So let's move to the notification. The notification is entirely in pure Hindi, and so let's start. There are I'll summarize it in short. All the positions are for PGT teachers for all the courses. I'll tell all of them in different study medium, English and Hindi both. As you can see on my right, it is Abhyarthi ke Shiksha ka Madhyam. There are Hindi, English, Hindi or Sanskrit. So let's move. So Vyakhita Hindi is grammar, Hindi grammar. 2 vacancies for that. Anusuchit Janjati एक पद और अनारक्षित एक पद. UR is 1 and SC/ST is 1. And the medium of study is Hindi. Vyakhita Angrezi में there are 2 vacancies, one for UR, one for reserved, and the medium should be Angrezi. Then is for Vyakhita Sanskrit, 1 vacancy, the language should be Hindi or Sanskrit. Vyakhita Ganit, it is for UR, 1 vacancy, and it is for medium should be Hindi. Maths in Hindi medium, maths in English medium, 1 vacancy. Bhautiki is physics 1 unreserved position in English medium, 1 biology in Hindi medium. Jeev Vigyan is your again a biology for English medium. Rasayan is chemistry for English medium, and Vanijya is economics, I guess. It is for 2 positions for English medium. Samajik Vigyan for English medium. Purv Madhyamik for English medium. Prathamik Shala for English medium. So, and Shikshak for Angrezi in English medium, Shikshak for Ganit in English medium, Shikshak for Science in English medium, Shikshak for Samajik Adhyan in English medium, Shikshak for Hindi or Sanskrit in Hindi, Vyayam Shikshak for both Hindi or English, and the salary is bit reduced. For Vyayam Shikshak it is 35,000 and for rest of the post it was 38,100. Sahayak Shikshak Kala Samuh 25,300 rupees for English medium. Sahayak Shikshak Vigyan Samuh 25,300 for English medium. Granth Pal Anarakshit position 1 22,400 rupees. Computer Shikshak 35,400 1 position. Sahayak Shikshak Vigyan Prayogshala 3 positions 25,300. Lekpal or Sahayak grade 2 for UR 1 position 25,300 rupees. Sahayak grade 3 for UR 19,500 rupees English medium. So out of all these rules, there is this the most important one is the 8th one, where the application fees is written. For unreserved category, the application form will cost 100 rupees, and for the reserved category it is 50 rupees. It should be paid via bank draft. The only one thing To be noted is the application form should not be mailed, or the online net banking thing will not work in this. You will have to go to the counter, fill the form the most traditional way, and apply for it. The fees will also be deposited there in form of bank draft, 100 rupees for UR and 50 rupees for reserved categories. As is written in this point, the highlighted point, this Dinak thing, Dinak 27 to these 4 lines talk about the application form will not be accepted online. You'll have to be present there, or somebody else from your side can go and fill the form, and later depends on the selection. So this was my attempt towards teacher recruitment. I hope it was a help for you guys. Keep supporting. See you in another video. Have a good day. Stay curious, keep learning.